Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix flashing flickering screen issue in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Advanced Display Settings. Click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Click Monitor. Change monitor refresh rate in the drop-down list. Second method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Properties. Click Driver. If enable, click Rollback Driver, click OK. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Display Adapter, click Properties. Click Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Fourth method is, click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.